Welcome to Creator Classes. In this video, we will understand why tan 90 degree is not defined. Okay, let's begin with the video. Here we are having values of tan function from 0 to 360 degree in a circular manner. Okay, just angles from 0 to 360 degree, nothing more. Here you can see tan 0 degree is 0, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, whose value is 0.58, tan 45 degree it is 1, tan 60 degree it is root 3, tan 90 degree is not defined, that we will explain in this video. Okay. Further, in second quadrant, tan is negative. All school to college, the fundamental we have done in the previous videos. In the second quadrant only sign is positive. Okay. For this video we will limit ourselves to first and second quadrant only. Okay. We have to calculate value of tan 90 degree. For reaching 90 degree we have two approaches. First is we start from 0 degree and keep on increasing the angle till we reach 90 degree. Second approach is we start at 180 degree and keep on decreasing angle till we reach 90 degree. One by one we will take both the approaches and we'll try to get the value of tan 90 degree from both the approaches. Okay. Let's begin with our first approach. Let's take our standard right angle triangle, say at 30 degree. We know its value is 0.58. If we further increase the angles, tan value started increasing. At tan 45 degree, it is 1. We know in first quadrant tan increases. Further increasing the angle to 60 degree, tan value reaches to 1.73. Okay. Let's further increase the angle. Say we reach at 80 degree. Here we have to use our calculator. Tan 80 degree which comes out to be 5.7. Further increasing the angle, tan 85 it is 11.4. See how fast tan value is increasing. Between 0 to 60 degree it has just raised from 0 to 1.732, and from 60 to 85 it has raised from 1.732 to 11.4. Okay. This exponential rise you can also observe in our graph. See this portion, it is rising exponentially here. Okay. Let's back to the angles. Let's further increase the angle. We will try to reach at 90 degree. Say tan 86 degree, it is 14.3. Tan 89 degree, it is 57.23. Keep your calculator with you and keep on calculating. We have reached 89. Just 1 degree has left to reach 90 degree. Now we will go to points between 89 and 90 degree. Say 89.5 degree, its value is 11.4. Check your calculator. Further increasing 89.8, it is 286. See how fast it is increasing. 89.9 is 572. Further keep on increasing the decimal points. Say 89.99, it is 5729. See what a huge value. Further increasing the decimal points, 89.999, it is 57,295. Use your calculator. As we try to move toward 90 degree, the tan value is exponentially rising to very high value. Keep on increasing the angle in points, it will keep on increasing to infinity and it will not end. You will not get a point where you can say that the value is not further increasing. Okay. But why tan value is increasing in such a manner? Answer lies in our right angle triangle and formula of tan theta, that is perpendicular over base. As we are approaching from 0 degree to 90 degree, perpendicular is keep on increasing and base is keep on decreasing. Means numerator is increasing and denominator is decreasing. So the output, that is A by B, is increasing very high. Got the point? At perfect 90 degree angle, the base as denominator will tends to 0. Means only perpendicular will remain. That is A by 0, which is having very high value, tending to positive infinity. Okay. You can use your calculator or computer and keep on increasing angle like 89.999999999. Tan value will keep on increasing exponentially. You will get much higher value and this value has no end. you keep on increasing value after point, the output will keep on increasing. It will not end. So we can say at 90 degree tan value is positive infinity. Okay. Now the question is, if it is positive infinity, why we are writing not defined portion against 90 degree? The answer lies in our second approach to reach 90 degree. That is, if we start moving from 180 degree to 90 degree by subtracting the angles. Let's proceed with our second approach and see what happens. Let's make a triangle at 150 degree. Tan 150 is minus 0.58. Here we will keep on decreasing the angle 150 degree till we reach 90 degree. Okay, let's decrease the angle. Tan 135 degree, it is minus 1. Further decreasing, tan 120 degree, it is minus 1.73. Now again we have to take your calculator out. Say further decreasing the angle, tan 100 degree, it is minus 5.7. Tan 95 degree, it is minus 11.4. You can see that as we are approaching toward 90 degree, tan value is exponentially decreasing. Okay, let's further decrease the angle. Say tan 91, it is minus 57.23. Only 1 degree to reach 90 degree. Now we will go to points between 91 and 90. Let's further decrease the angle. Say tan 90.5, it is minus 114. 90.2, it is minus 286. 90.1, it is minus 572. Now we will go to further points between 90.1 and 90. It is say 90.01. And further decreasing the angle, you will see that tan value is further decreasing exponentially. It will keep on decreasing and decreasing and will reach very low value, that is minus infinity. Okay, so we say that tan 90 degree is minus infinity. Okay, in first case we have moved from 0 to 90 degree. We have got tan 90 degree as positive infinity. And when we have moved from 180 degree to 90 degree, that is in reverse direction, we have got 90 degree as minus infinity. Okay, so what is the value of tan 90 degree, positive infinity or negative infinity? Both are in totally opposite direction. So we say that tan 90 degree is not defined because it is both positive as well as negative infinity. See in our graph, as we are moving from 0 to 90 degree, graph is keep on increasing toward positive infinity, but it will never touch 90 degree because at 90 degree it is positive infinity. And if we move from 180 to 90 degree, here also it will keep on moving toward negative infinity, but it will never touch 90 degree line. Same reason, because at 90 degree it is minus infinity. Okay, this is a very important point, that our tan graph does not cross or touch our 90 degree line. Okay, I think you have got the concept. Just a small imagination. Imagine a ball starts from 0 and keep on moving toward positive infinity, and suddenly just before 90 degree it disappears and again appears after 90 degree but in negative direction. Magic. And it again goes toward 0. Hope you all got this concept. This concept will be very useful to you in other concept of physics and mathematics in higher advanced studies. Okay students, hope you have enjoyed the video. We are also having a full course of trigonometry. Refer the link given in the description. Okay students, thank you very much for being with Creator Classes. Bye for now. Enjoy, have fun.